Hello there, Internet. Welcome to a new series called SFM for Dummies. This is part 0 of the series, the tutorial stage and the installation phase. So first of all, let's go to google.com. We're going to go ahead and put in Steam. It is a platform where everything mostly is. It's like Epic Games, Xbox, but Steam is its own brand. So let's go ahead and go into Steam. It's supposed to look something like this. Anyway, let's go ahead and search for SOURCE Film. And it's for free, so you don't have to worry about paying for anything. So I already have it right now, so I can just, hit this little button. I can hit Use Now. And yes, I'm going to go ahead and post it on this Windows C. That is correct. And if you have the app already, you can always just hit it for free. And so anyway, it should be now reserving space and installing. Okay, now it's all installed. If you haven't got the app, you should definitely get the app because it's only going to launch in the app. I want you to go to the Manage button over here, Properties. I want you to launch the SDK because that's where all your mods are going to be. So go ahead and launch SDK. By default, SFM exports at 720p, and we live in a day and age where 4K is now the international standard. So if you want to go a little bit lower, use that. You can customize right here the height, the width, and yeah, doing that. If you want to know about the resolutions, go ahead and search that up, and then replace it to what you might like. 4K, 10K, depends upon your processing power. Anyway, I suggest you get if you have like 4 gigabytes of virtual RAM space, then 1080p should be fine. All right, let's go ahead and launch the SDK, and it's going to pop up this little window. By default, Source Filmmaker reads from a file called user mods, and there's only one of these. If you ever want to search one thing, it is a pain to find it unless you use the search filter. To prevent this, you use the utilization of separate folders, or as this Thingens would like to call it, mods. The more mods you have, the more organization you have, and the less time you have trying to figure out where to import models from. We're going to edit paths for selected mods, and it only has a few you can see. So let us review in a deeper setting how you can get to your SFM mods. Go to File Explorer. Go to Windows. Go to Program Files x86. Double click. Go scroll down and find a folder named Steam. From that, find Steam Apps. Then find the folder Common. Then find the folder of Source Filmmaker. And then click the only folder here, Game. From here, you can copy-paste your model from zipped files or archived RAR files. Instead of having to go through the files of trying to find this folder again, may I suggest you make a shortcut to this file. Go ahead and copy this file. And then go to your desktop and hit Paste Shortcut. Then when you double click on it, you will always from here to get to your mods quickly and efficiently. To find Source Filmmaker files, you can usually find them on DeviantArt, Pony SFM, or on the Steam Workshop. For this tutorial, I will be using Pony SFM. On the website, click on any model that you might desire. Then simply click the download button. Some files also go to a different website, which happens to be DeviantArt or the Steam Workshop. Click on these entirely if the download is not available. Once you have a file downloaded, it is usually in a zip file or a RAR file. To extract these files, either use your Windows default extractor or a thing that I like to call BreezeZip. It is free, however, with lots of advertisements. Inside most files, you'll usually find a set of folders. The ones you probably need are materials and models. If you go up one, that is the folder you need to copy. In this case, I will cut it, which is the game SFM mods, and go ahead and paste it in the root file right here. And that is how you load it. And to make sure it goes in, merely go to your Steam app, go to your library, launch the SDK, select Edit Search Parts for selected mod, and select the latest one that you just created. Click OK, and it's now loaded in as a part of the source Filmmaker mods. This concludes a basic explanation of Source Filmmaker and getting mods installed.